Unraveling Slow-going, a phrase unpacked. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard, slow-going. Whether you're an English learner trying to understand everyday expressions or just looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding phrases like this is key to becoming fluent. So, let's explore what slow-going means and how you can use it in your conversations. Slow-going is an adjective phrase that describes a situation or process that is progressing more slowly than expected or desired. It often implies difficulty or the presence of obstacles that are making something take a longer time to complete. Imagine you're driving on a road covered with snow. You would likely say it's slow-going because the conditions prevent you from driving at a normal speed. Let's break down the phrase. Slow. This word describes the speed of an action or process. In this case, it's not fast. Going. This refers to the progress or movement of something. When combined, these words create a phrase that highlights not just the pace but also the struggle or effort involved in progressing. You can use slow-going in both formal and informal settings. Here are a few examples. In a work context, completing this project has been slow-going because we're waiting on the data from our partners. During travel, it's been slow-going on the roads today due to the heavy traffic. In personal achievements, learning the piano is slow-going for me, but I'm enjoying the process. Remember, it's about conveying the sense that things are moving along, just at a slower pace than usual. There are synonyms and variations you might hear, such as a slow burn, often used to describe a story or relationship that develops slowly. Taking it slow. This can refer to proceeding with caution or without rush. Slow progress. Simply another way to say that progress is being made, but it's not fast. Now, let's practice. Try to create your own sentences with slow-going. Think about a goal you have that's taking time to achieve, or a situation like a traffic jam. How would you describe it using slow-going? And that's a wrap on slow-going. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase with confidence. English is full of expressions like these that can add flavor to your conversations. Keep learning and practicing, and remember, sometimes progress is slow-going, but it's always worth it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.